Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode on Mighty Mouse Shop Creations. Today, I'll be showing you my dad's final on his 1959 Chevrolet Impala by Monogram. Without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright, so here it is. I know some of you guys have been waiting a while since my Cadillac video, but it's finished. Obviously, this is a big jump from his unboxing video, where I literally just unboxed the kit. But now that my dad's getting back into the rhythm of building models, he's getting them completed more often, which is great. Something that I personally love about this model kit is that it comes with a Continental kit. Now, whenever cars come with Continental kits, I always put them on. I will always put them on because I know it looks 100 million times better. Especially with 59 Impalas. I don't know why, but they just fit so well together. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and if you agree with me. Something to note about this car is that these pieces right here can get lost very easily, because my dad and he dropped the piece and we couldn't find it for like 45 minutes straight. But after a little bit of carpet searching, we found it. As you can see, he did a two-tone paint job with this duplicolor blue, and I think the white is also duplicolor. He chose this like cream white because he said it matched more and gave more of a like toned look. He also glued in these radio antennas, which I think really add character. As we're coming around, we have the whatchamacallits, the windshield wipers, which those are also multi-piece. Now, he really went above and beyond with the interior. As you can see, there's some green seats as we come around, obviously, because turntable's kind of slow. But the green interior seat part in there, that's actually a sticker. Now, the kit came with like two sets of interior stickers. There's green ones, which my dad used because they're more of like a teal. And there's like red ones, I believe. So that's super cool. He did three-tone interior, just like on my DeSoto. So he did light baby blue, the duplicolor blue that you can see on the outside right now, and the stickers, which I guess may or may not be known as cheating, but either way, it really gives that effect of a beautiful interior. As we're coming around to the back, these cat eye taillights, beautiful, beautiful things. You may have seen those in a sneak peek of my last Cadillac video, which you guys... These door handles right there are, again, just taken off the tree, so you don't have to chrome them with like chrome marker or anything. Let's show you guys the engine. So here's the engine. Nothing too special, but still looks amazing. All the plumbing and wiring you see in there actually just comes with the kit. I believe this is Monogram's skill level 3, so it's the hardest out of all of the skills. I think I would have done wiring, but either way, it still gives that realistic effect. Another thing that he did is that he painted these bullet bumpers. Bumper bullets, jeez. It took me like 5 times to say that. He painted those black. And I think that's it for today's video. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you don't miss an upload from me. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.